Other news here tonight at 5 o'clock. Embattled former Las Vegas City Councilman Ricki Barlow will serve prison time after pleading guilty to a wire fraud charge related to a federal public corruption probe. Federal judge sentenced Barlow just early this afternoon. Politics Now anchor Patrick Walker was in the courtroom and joins us now with what happened.
Well, Denise, Barlow will spend 1 month in prison as part of a split sentence. We'll have more on that coming up in a minute. If you remember, Barlow resigned from the council this year after announcing he would plead guilty to federal charges. He admitted to pocketing some $17,000 in cash transactions with an FBI informant and some $49,000 in campaign kickbacks from vendors during his 2015 re-election bid. Barlow will repay that total of $66,000 in the form of a court-imposed fine. The federal government asked for a 12 to 18-month sentence. Barlow's attorney wanted probation, and the probation services officer said somewhere in the middle would be, at least a mix would be sufficient. Well, Judge Andrew Gordon agreed with the latter, issuing a 1-year split sentence. The 1 month in prison I mentioned, 3 months then in a halfway house, and then 8 months under house arrest. Neither Barlow nor his attorney commented after the hearing, but I caught up briefly with Barlow's sister-in-law, who spoke on his behalf.
I definitely believe he was feeling shame and embarrassment, but then also gratefulness.
More than 3 dozen family members, some you see there, and supporters showed up in court on Friday to testify on Barlow's behalf. They included City Council members Bob Coffin and Michelle Fiore, as well as CCSD trustee Kevin Child. Barlow must surrender by noon, September 14th, to the Bureau of Prisons. Now, due to the short duration of that prison sentence, the judge is recommending that Barlow serves that time at the federal facility in Pahrump. More on today's hearing coming up at 6. Back to you guys.